controller designed from the ground up for RGB fans, simplifying the build process by combining what had previously required a dedicated Lighting Node Pro and a separate RGB LED fan hub into a single unit. The Lighting Node core can be found pre-installed in Corsair iCUE RGB cases such as the 220T, or in a kit with RGB fans such as the SP RGB Pro. To install a Lighting Node core, simply mount the unit to an open location in your case using the provided double-sided tape. Install your fans in your case and plug them into the Lighting Node core in sequential order. It's important to keep fan order in mind because channel-wide animations begin with fan 1 and proceed through fan 6. If you skip a port on the Lighting Node core, all fans after the open port will not be able to communicate to the controller. Plug the 9-pin USB cable from the Lighting Node core into an available internal USB 2 header on your motherboard. Then connect your Lighting Node core to SATA power. Finally, download Corsair iCUE and set up your Lighting Node core with the appropriate fan type. And that's it! The Corsair Lighting Node core makes setting up iCUE-compatible RGB fans easier than ever. For more information about Lighting Node core or Corsair iCUE-compatible RGB fans and cases, check out www.corsair.com. Thanks for watching.